Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING way. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox cannot run inside of a virtual machine error. If this getting this error, simply few methods right to this error fix it. Before you begin, like this video, subscribe to support our channel. Let's start that steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button. Click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step. Uninstall the virtual machines. So go to the Windows search bar and type that control panel. Just VY change it. Click on the arrow icon. Then select category. Then click on the uninstall program. Then find virtual machine or virtual box. Then select and right click to uninstall it virtual machines. Then go to the next step. Core isolation disabled. So go to the Windows search bar, then type that Windows security. Just click to open it. Then click on the device security. Then click on the core isolation details. Then memory indicator. If this memory indicator, turn it on. Just click to turn it off. Once it turn it off and close it. Then go to the next step. Restart your system. Then relaunch that game. Your problem, fix it now. I hope that this video helpful for you. Like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Subscribe to support our channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.